What happened to your PlayStation, you said, sir?
It broke.
He got in trouble and I
Yeah.
snatched it. I snatched the HDMI cord out.
Oh, you did?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. So it doesn't display anything on the TV?
It doesn't do anything. All we get is a black screen.
Yeah.
Tried to call Sony's, no warranty, it's not covered. They told us tough luck. Pretty
Oh
much.
my gosh. Wow. Don't worry. I got you.
How do you get out?
Hour and a half was worth it.
Hmm?
The hour and a half was worth it. We drove hour and a half.
Hour and a half? Really? Where are you from?
New Britain.
New Britain. Okay.
It was, I don't,
Nobody could fix it but you.
yeah, nobody. How did you fix this iPhone?
Huh?
How did you fix this? Didn't even face it? I don't remember.
How long has it been broken? 4 months.
Oh.
See some bad drivers, but you.
Is it? No! Purple. How do you do that? We're on the phone. Oh. I think it looks. Nó thì nó không. Với tới em thâu được. Để cho em thấy. Để thấy.
What's wrong with her now? Better than when she came in, that's for sure.
Looks good?
Yeah.
Okay. Your PlayStation is ready, sir.
Yeah.
Now it's good to go.
I know.
You tried?
Yeah.
Everything good?
Mm-hmm.
You played?
Yeah.
It don't overheat?
No.
Okay.
An hour and a half was worth it.
Thank you.